This is about 3 or 4 hours after a balloon kyphoplasty procedure at the T4 level. You had a fracture there, you're wearing a brace. How do you feel at the moment now?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good?
That's fine, yeah.
Yeah, you feel okay?
Yeah.
Legs feel alright?
Yeah.
Posture wise?
Yeah, I feel
good.
more upright already, actually.
Yeah, you look more upright now.
Yeah.
So that's good. And see you have a little walk? Brilliant. That's perfect. Yeah, T3, sorry, T3, not T4, T3, yeah. Even higher, yeah, even more difficult one.
And back
Great.
again?
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, T3, that's brilliant.
Okay.
All nice and stable, no pain, perfect.